What is machine learning? It focuses on developing algorithms and statistical models that enable computer systems to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. In other words, it's about creating systems that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. Here are some key concepts and components of machine learning. 1. Data. Machine learning relies on data for training and making predictions. Data can come in various forms, such as text, images, numerical values, or any other type of structured or unstructured information. 2. Training data. To build a machine learning model, you need a labeled dataset, also known as training data. This dataset consists of input data, features, and corresponding output labels. The model learns from this data to make predictions or classifications. 3. Algorithms. Machine learning algorithms are the mathematical and statistical techniques used to train models. These algorithms vary in complexity and purpose, and they can be grouped into categories like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data, and it learns to map inputs to outputs. Common tasks include classification and regression. 2. Unsupervised learning. It involves training on unlabeled data, and the algorithm learns patterns or structures in the data, such as clustering similar data points or reducing dimensionality. 3. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent learns to make sequential decisions by interacting with an environment and learns to optimize its decision-making process. 4. Features. Features are the variables or attributes in your data that the model uses to make predictions. Feature engineering involves selecting, transforming, or creating features that are relevant and informative for the task. 5. Model evaluation. Once a machine learning model is trained, it needs to be evaluated to assess its performance. Common evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and mean squared error, among others. 6. Hyperparameter tuning. Machine learning models have hyperparameters that are not learned from the data but are set prior to training. Hyperparameter tuning involves optimizing these parameters to improve model performance. 7. Overfitting and underfitting. These are common issues in machine learning. When a model learns the training data too well and performs poorly on new, unseen data. Underfitting happens when a model is too simple to capture the underlying patterns in the data. 8. Deployment. After training and evaluation, a machine learning model can be deployed in real-world applications. Deployment involves integrating the model into a production environment where it can make predictions or decisions. 9. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on artificial neural networks, particularly deep neural networks with many layers. It has achieved remarkable success in tasks like image and speech recognition. 10. Machine learning libraries and frameworks. Machine learning models, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and Keras, to name a few. Machine learning is applied in a wide range of fields, including natural language processing, computer vision, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, finance, and more. It has the potential to automate tasks, discover insights from data, and improve decision-making processes across various industries. Machine learning application in biological data. Machine learning has found numerous applications in the field of biology, enabling researchers to analyze and interpret biological data more effectively. Here are some prominent applications of machine learning in biology. 1. Genomic data analysis. Genome sequencing. Machine learning algorithms are used to assemble and analyze DNA sequences, making it possible to identify genes, regulatory elements, and variations in the genome. 2. Functional genomics. ML is employed to predict gene function, regulatory networks, and the impact of genetic variations on disease susceptibility. 3. Metagenomics. Machine learning helps in classifying and identifying species in complex microbial communities. 2. Proteomics. Protein structure prediction. ML models can predict the 3D structure of proteins, which is critical for understanding their functions and interactions. 2. Protein function prediction. ML is used to predict the functions of proteins based on their sequences and structural information. 3. Protein-protein interaction prediction. Algorithms predict protein interactions, helping to understand biological pathways and networks. 3. Drug discovery and development. Drug target identification. ML identifies potential drug targets by analyzing biological data and identifying proteins associated with diseases. 2. Compound screening. Machine learning models predict the biological activity of chemical compounds, aiding in drug discovery. 3. Drug-drug interaction prediction. Algorithms predict potential interactions between drugs, helping to minimize adverse effects. 4. Disease diagnosis and personalized medicine. Medical image analysis. ML is used for the analysis of medical images, such as MRI and CT scans, to detect tumors and other abnormalities. 2. Disease risk prediction. Algorithms predict an individual's risk of developing specific diseases based on genetic and clinical data, enabling personalized healthcare. 5. Drug repurposing. ML models analyze existing drugs to identify new therapeutic uses, accelerating drug development. 6. Biological data integration. ML integrates data from multiple sources, genomic, transcriptomic, proteomic, clinical, to provide a holistic view of biological processes. 7. Phylogenetics and evolutionary biology. Machine learning aids in constructing evolutionary trees, studying genetic relationships, and inferring ancestral genomes. 8. Ecology and environmental monitoring. ML is used to analyze ecological data, predict species distribution, and monitor environmental changes. 9. Neuroscience. ML helps in analyzing brain imaging data, studying neural networks, and understanding neurological disorders. 10. Drug dosage optimization. Machine learning models can optimize drug dosages for individual patients, taking into account genetic variations and other factors. 11. Biomedical text mining. ML techniques are employed to extract knowledge from biomedical literature and assist in literature curation. 12. Proteomics and mass spectrometry. ML aids in the analysis of mass spectrometry data for identifying proteins and post-translational modifications. 13. Single-cell genomics. ML is used to analyze single-cell RNA sequencing data, enabling the study of cellular heterogeneity and differentiation. Machine learning analyzed biological datasets has revolutionized biological research, enabling scientists to make discoveries and develop applications that were previously challenging or impossible. These applications are advancing our understanding of biology, leading to breakthroughs in healthcare, drug development, and environmental science.